guys, welcome to my second video on this channel. This video is not about Python, but it's about basic setup. As you may have noticed, I forgot to make a basic setup video before I made my first video, so I'm making it now. So you have to download an editor, you have to download pip, you have to download Python, and just stuff like that. So let's get started. First, let me tell you what we're going to be doing in this video. So number 1, we're going to install Python. Number 2, we're going to install CodeOSS, or Visual Studio Code. And then number 3, we're just going to install pip.
Number 1, you have to install Python. If you're on Linux, open up your package manager, search for Python, and install the first package in the list of packages. If you're not on Linux, open up a new tab and go to python.org/downloads. Click the download button and install Python. All the links will be in the description below. Number 2, you need to install CodeOSS, or Visual Studio Code. If you're on Linux, go to flathub.org, search for CodeOSS. Click on the first result, scroll down to the commands, copy the first command, open up your terminal, paste in the command, and hit enter. If you do this right, when you search for code, you should see CodeOSS right there. If you're not on Linux, go to code.visualstudio.com/download, select the right version for your distribution, and download it. After that, install CodeOSS, or Visual Studio Code. Number 3, you'll need to install pip. If you're using a later version of Python than Python 2, then pip is already installed onto your computer. You don't need to worry about this step. Or else, if you're on Linux, open up your package manager. Search for Python pip. Install the first package in the list of packages. If you're not on Linux, go to this link right here. And again, the link is in the description. Copy the first command, open up a terminal window, paste in the command, and run it. After that, copy the second command, paste in the command, and run it. Now, you have successfully installed pip.
Okay guys, that was it for this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions or comments. I will happily explain if you have any questions. Also, be sure to watch the next video, and thanks for watching.